Wall Street will be focused on the Federal Reserve this week. Investors are all but certain that Fed Chief Ben Bernanke and company will cut short-term interest rates when they meet Tuesday to help ease the credit crunch. But the question remains, by how much? There is talk the Fed could move aggressively and cut rates by 0.5%. It would be the first rate cut in more than 4 years. On Wall Street Friday, investors took a breather after some big gains earlier in the week. The Dow rose 17 points while the Nasdaq squeezed out a 1-point gain. Investors will also be watching for the latest news on inflation, with reports due on consumer and producer prices, and the housing market will be back in the spotlight as we get the latest reports on housing starts and building permits. Keep an eye on shares of Microsoft as the battle between the software giant and the European Union comes to a head. An EU court is set to rule on whether Microsoft is a dangerous monopoly or the victim of overzealous regulators. And Martha Stewart is uncorking plans to sell wine starting next year. The $15 a bottle wine dubbed Martha Stewart Vintage will include Chardonnay, Cabernet Sauvignon, and Merlot. It will be made and sold by the California-based Gallo Winery. That's your Money Watch. Log on to CBSNews.com for all your business headlines. In New York, I'm Alexis Christoforous.